Hi, I'm Luis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and I'm back to show you some fried catfish. I've got my countertop fryer set to a little below 375. Fish as a protein just really doesn't take that long to cook, and that's actually nice because we don't want to have all this fish floating around in the oil any longer than it needs to be. So I've got my ready light on here. I'm going to go ahead and pop this guy open. And also, as a side note, we breaded these fish pieces differently so that I could show you the difference between the finished product. The first pieces that I'm going to cook, I put some seasonings directly onto the fish fillet itself, which was garlic salt, and some ground pepper. And I put them straight into a store-bought cornmeal-based fish breading mixture that I just poured straight out of the bag. So it was actually a one-part breading process on these. So we're going to go ahead and fry those guys first and let you see what those look like on the finished product. And then we'll move on to the other pieces, which I finished in breadcrumbs, and the other which I finished in the cornmeal procedure. So we'll come right back and show you what these look like.